Hello guys. So today this is what we are going to be doing, the front and the back. This is the front and the other side is the back. Okay, this type of designs are great for companies who wants their logos on and a design at their back or a name of their employees at the back. So we are going to be doing that today. These are some of the designs that I'll be putting on my website as well, because I'll be doing, or my store is a personalizable store, a customizable store. So I need all these designs on my store to, make it live for people to know what I normally do. So we are going to be doing the front pocket design and the back design. So I will take you guys in. You can see that I just put on my machine. I'll take you through the step by step. If you are new to this is the place you want to be. I want you to bring all your friend on board. Share this, videos to people who might be interested. So I also want to tell you one thing. You see this small iron that you see there? This is going to be very useful for you if you have started also this type of business, or if you're about to start. I would want you to invest in this, because in this video, when it comes to small press, I love to use the small iron to do that, because that is very easy. You don't need to use the whole machine to do that, and it's faster as well. It's more, I think it's more flexible. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take away all the dust from my t-shirt. You will see it. You might not see it when the t-shirt is laid down on your plate, but then when you use the roller to take it out, you see that, okay, there's been a lot of dust in your t-shirt. So please do not forget about that. Now we don't need to do this for a long time. Maybe 5 seconds is enough. We are going to take that up, and now we are going to start pressing, placing our design. But to place your design, you always have to use your ruler, especially if you are a newbie. If you're somebody who is just starting, use your ruler to guide you, to make you know where to place your designs, so you don't, make mistake, especially if you are doing people's job. Now you have seen my small machine. It's just the same as you are applying heat, right? And the heat we are going to be applying should be around 60 seconds, maximum. 45 is okay, 40 is also okay. But now I want to show you something. If you are having problem, you don't want to hold your design on, you can just tape it. Okay, tape your design on, so it makes it easier for you to actually press that design on your t-shirt. For me, my tape machine is not here. So this tape came with a machine. That's the lucky part of mine. So I'm just going to use this tape to tape it up. So you see that I don't need a second hand to do that. You see that it is much easier. So if you are doing any pressing and you are finding it difficult, please tape it just like the way I did it. It will make your life easier. Even the bigger designs do that. See how beautiful that came out. So this could be a logo. This could be fashion, like this one is fashion. You want to have that pocket and then the back, or pocket and then the side. I'm going to be doing the side as well. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is to turn the back of the t-shirt, and then you know what to do. Take away the dust, and now use your ruler to get those right positioning of your design. Now I have come up with something. After doing this, I realized that I need to do this first before I straighten the t-shirt. So that's my bad. The next video you will see that I now from onwards, this is a learning process. So every day you are going to learn. When it comes to practical works, practical businesses, practical, studies, you always going to learn something new every day, and the way things work better for you, not for somebody but for you. So you have to see what is working for you. For me, I have realized that taking out the dust from the t-shirt first is the best way, so that I don't need to shrinkle the t-shirt back. I don't need to see all those bumps on the t-shirt. That will give you a double job. So I have learned now, and you see that all my other my subsequent videos, that's the procedure I'm going to be doing. Again, you have seen that the design was too long for my plate. So what I would do is I have to press the rest part of the design. So I just bring this up a little bit so I can get the heat into it. Yes, there's another way to do it. I'm going to show you in my subsequent video as well. I want you to understand that this platform is for people who are about to start this journey, right? So you need some tips. I did not have all these tips when I started. I have watched handful of videos, but some of this information, unless you get on the job, you see what happens there. Do not be scared. Do not be afraid when you have these simple problems. All you have to do is, we are going to press this 60 seconds or 40 seconds again. So after doing that, you see that everything has get into their position. You're not going to see that again. It's going to go back and your design is going to be perfect. That is why you need a second press. So in doing this, I've also found out another way to just press it once without doing it two times. That means that if your design is too big and you have a smaller plate like this, you can also turn the design on another angle to get you just one press. So this is the t-shirt. It is ready. These t-shirts or these designs are going to go on my Shopify store. When the Shopify store is live, I am actually building it right now. It's a personalizable store for gifts, and also for companies, for small businesses, for small branding. If you want to brand yourself, if you want something that's special, you want somebody's names, somebody words, information you want to get to people, but you want to get in a gift form, it's going to be on my Shopify store. So stay tuned for that. I'll soon going to give you all the details when it goes live or when it's about to go live. So that's all we have to do for today. Today's video is all for you to know how to do the pocket design and the back design, especially for companies who would like to do their logos in their front and also maybe have a message at the back of their t-shirt. I also did this one, the superhero, for this t-shirt. For now, as I said, we are going to be doing this designs, and I'll bring you along. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.